Hello, welcome. In this video we will see polynomials. What are polynomials? Polynomials are algebraic expressions that include variables with coefficients, positive exponents, and constants. It cannot include division or square root to any variables. The degree refers to the exponent of its variables. The degree of the polynomials is the highest degree of the terms. There are many real-life examples of polynomials, such as shopping items, and designing the curve for a roller coaster ride. In data science, finding the pattern of profit for a new product over time, and many more. Solving polynomial is to find the roots where the function equals 0. Let's say if we have a polynomial of the form. After apply factoring, it is equivalent to. Now we separate into two equations using zero product property. Now, any polynomial with degree 2 is quadratic, it appears as a parabola in a graph. Thank you, please subscribe for more.